What is the insertion depth of the Good Vibes Only Fane vibrator? Are there any handy measurements we should know about? Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So what is the insertion depth of the Good Vibes Only Fane vibrator? Today I'm going to tell you. So this is the Fane vibrator itself. Now the insertion depth is 13 centimeters in total, and this vibrator is perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. Here are some other useful measurements about the Fane vibrator that you may wish to know. The total length of this vibrator is 22 centimeters. The maximum diameter is 3.7 centimeters and the minimum diameter is 2.6 centimeters. These are useful to know. Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other FAQ videos in this collection? Do you have a question for us? We'd love to hear it. Why not drop it below and we'll take a look at it for you.